Hello, future financial moguls. Do you want to level up your financial game but don't know where to begin? We've got financial wisdom from one of the world's greatest innovators, Elon Musk. So today we'll dissect the principles that turned him into a financial icon. Ready? Here we go. Elon Musk preaches the value of diversification, but not too much. Diversification, in terms of investment, refers to spreading your investments across different types of assets. It's like having your eggs in different baskets to reduce the risk of cracking them all if one basket falls. However, there's a twist to this tale. Spreading your investments too thin or over-diversifying can lead to a dilution of your returns. This is because while you're trying to minimize risk, you may also be limiting your potential for high returns. Now let's look at Musk's approach. He has his fingers in multiple pies, from electric vehicles to space exploration. But, and here's the kicker, he doesn't just dabble. He invests heavily in each sector, ensuring that he's not just spreading his risk, but also maximizing his potential for significant returns. So, what's the takeaway from this? Balance is key. Find industries you believe in and don't hesitate to dive deep. Faint heart never won fair lady, Musk once said. But let's be clear, the risks he takes are calculated. In the world of investment, taking risks is necessary, but they should always be calculated. It's not about throwing your hard-earned money into the wind and hoping for the best. No, it's about making informed decisions. So, how do you take calculated risks like Elon Musk? First, you research, dive deep into the details of the investment you're considering. Look at the market trends, the company's history, their business model, and their future plans. Second, you strategize. Based on your research, craft a plan of action. How much are you willing to invest? For how long? What's your exit strategy? Finally, weigh the pros and cons. Every investment has its potential downsides. You need to understand the worst-case scenario and prepare for it. Once you've done all that, it's time to take the leap. Understand the worst-case scenario, prepare for it, and then take the leap. It's tempting to splurge your earnings on a new car or a luxury vacation, but Musk, he pours his money back into his ventures. This is what we call reinvestment. It's not as flashy as a new Rolex, but it's the secret ingredient to long-term financial success. Think of reinvestment as planting a seed. Initially, it might not look like much, but give it time, care, and a little bit of sunshine, and it can grow into a towering tree. Similarly, reinvesting your earnings can lead to a wealth multiplier effect. Each reinvestment becomes a new source of potential earnings, which you can then reinvest again. It's a cycle of growth that can lead to significant wealth over time. This doesn't mean you need to start a space company or an electric car empire. Even small investments in a Roth IRA or an index fund can grow exponentially over decades. The key is to start now, be consistent, and let the magic of compounding do its work. Never stop learning. That's the Elon Musk mantra. This dynamic entrepreneur is a living testament to the power of continuous learning. His thirst for knowledge isn't just a hobby, it's an essential part of his financial strategy. In our fast-paced, ever-evolving world, staying informed is more than just a good idea, it's a necessity for anyone looking to make wise financial decisions. Just as Musk dives into diverse fields like rocket science and blockchain technology, it's important for you to stay on top of the latest trends and developments in your areas of interest. Whether it's stock market trends, cryptocurrency fluctuations, or the latest startup unicorns, being in the know will give you an edge in spotting lucrative opportunities. How can you do this? It's simple. Read books, take online courses, attend webinars, listen to podcasts. Keep your finger on the pulse of the financial world. Stay hungry for knowledge. Read books, take online courses, and stay informed. Your future self will thank you. So there you have it, financial mastery, Elon Musk style. Remember, find your balance in diversification, take calculated risks, reinvest your earnings, and never stop learning. These principles aren't just for tech billionaires, they're for anyone ready to take control of their financial future. So go on, take a leaf out of Musk's book, and start your journey towards financial prowess. And remember, the road to wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Until next time, keep hustling. By the way, folks, if you're looking to deepen your understanding of finance and economic cycles, there's a resource that's been creating quite a buzz for over 3 years now. Recession Profit Secrets. This isn't just another ebook, it's a comprehensive guide packed with actionable insights to help you amass wealth, Many have confirmed its value, and you can check out the rave reviews for yourself. Now here's the mind-blowing surprise. This book could be the key that turns your financial struggles into a wealth-building journey. So if you're serious about mastering finance, this could be a game changer for you. I've included a link in the description below. Check it out, and let's take this journey to financial mastery together. This 288-page ebook dives deep into the history of the banking system and discusses notable recessions like the one involving Lehman Brothers, giving you a unique insight into the financial world. It even goes on to talk about the economic cycles and industrial revolutions dating back to the 19th century, offering you a comprehensive understanding of how our financial system has evolved over time. What really caught my eye was its discussion on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The book suggests that these digital currencies might integrate into mainstream financial markets soon, which could be a game changer for investors like us. So if you're interested in enriching your financial knowledge and getting ahead of the curve, I've left a link down below. Recession Profit Secrets is definitely worth a read. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So continue learning, continue growing, and